Absolutely. We carry a very, very, very intense line of convertible tops. We carry very old cars right up to the latest models. Well, generally all we replace is the materials itself. Sometimes in the use of the convertible, the cables can be stretched, so you would need those, or pads, but 9 out of 10 times, or 9.5 out of 10 times, the frame is usually fine and does not need replacing. So basically we're talking about the top, the fabric, possibly cables, possibly pads. Every automobile manufacturer uses different materials. We utilize only material from an OEM supplier, Hartz Manufacturing, up in Massachusetts. They buy their acrylic from Glenraven Mills, the sole supplier in the United States, out of South Carolina. What Hartz does is they laminate a rubber membrane under the color, the acrylic or the vinyl, and then laminate a cotton backing. The materials can be in the vinyls sailcloth, sport topping, or cabrio, and some of the canvas, for example, would be Stay Fast, German Stay Fast, or Twill Fast. I pretty much cover the gamut of models, and we do mostly the high volume, but we have pretty much every single convertible that you would possibly need, European and domestic. Oh, and Japanese as well. Again, the cost is determined by what the model is and what options you really need and what the materials are made of. We are very affordable and are prepared to sell at wholesale prices to anyone that's willing to give us a call. The warranty on a convertible top is 3 years of 36,000 miles. The first year, 100%, and the balance of the second and third year are prorated. Well, the cover can last, again, as long as you maintain it correctly and you don't abuse it, and hopefully no one damages it in trying to break into your car.